Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amir Shahzad and you are watching Amir Shahzad 216 YouTube channel. And today my video is about Leica Total Station TS09 Plus. This is a continue video series. Today video number is 22 and we will discuss today about pin. How we can active the pin in a total station and how we can remove the pin. So today we will discuss about the pin about total station. So when we power on the total station, this is our first display. So for active pin we have to go to tools. For tool going we have two options. If you see on the each folder there is writing some numbers. If I direct press the number 6, I can enter this tools. Otherwise with these keys I can use and bring it on the tool and just simply press OK, and then I can enter the this tool folder. So in the tool we have a number 5, his name is pin. So simply I press number 5 and then I'm enter the pin code settings. So currently this pin is off. So for the off we can simply I press so use for pin code, simply I use this key with the arrow and press this one. After you can see on the display there is on, and then I press OK. If the other like TS06, if you have enter, you simply press enter, and then you need to put the some pin code. So here I use only the regular key, simply 1 2 3, and then press OK. When I press OK, it's on key F4 there appear is F4 for continue. If I press F4 continue, then this pin will be active. So I'll press F4. So there is a active on the pin. So for checking this pin is active or no, I will use the power key and then simply power off this total station, and then on the same button I will power on again and wait for a few seconds for the power on. Now you can see there is an information instrument is locked by the pin. Enter the current pin code to unlock the instrument. So I remember my pin, we just fix the pin 1 2 3 and then I'll press OK, or in TS06 we can press enter and then F4 continue, and now I'm entered in my total station. I can use whatever I need to use, I will use it. For removing this pin, simply I will go again tools, press OK, and then on the number 5 pin, then I press OK, and I'll put the pin 1 2 3 and then OK, then F4 continue, and then here I will press this arrow key and use the option on to off and then continue, and now pin is removed and activation is clear. So if I need to check, I will go again with the press OK pin, and you can see here is the user pin code is off and new pin is 0. So it's been all previous pin is removed. So this is the method how we can use a pin code for security of our personal work. So if you have any comments regarding this video or my other videos, just let me know in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please share to others, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And finally, thanks for watching this video.